Hey guys, it's Bertie at the Pioneer Club with an emerging headliner session powered by JBL. So over the last few months, I've been recording some new material. We got 4 new tracks ready for next year that I'm super excited about. I've also been playing loads of really cool shows, including one right here on this hallowed stage, supporting princes to kings. So it's been a great few months. The song that I'm performing is called What We Feel. I wrote it with a really good friend of mine called Jack. It's all about the beginning of relationships and the kind of the magic and the beauty as you kind of wind towards the beginning of a relationship and the energy that you feel. I mean, I guess a lot of it's unspoken, the kind of magic. It was difficult to kind of put it into words, but we did it, and that's what's coming up, folks. I think like the folks at Headliner really get this, which is for emerging artists anywhere, they'll know that a lot of people are kind of, they'll do you dirty when you come to the venue. The sound equipment doesn't work, or they're trying to do you over. When you come to work in a place like this where kind of everything's set up brilliantly, you're working on equipment that's absolutely brilliant. It's really nice to be kind of in that environment. The other thing is that in terms of a grassroots venue, I mean, I play loads and loads of gigs, and it enables me to support myself, to be able to continue making music. And playing in places like this is basically what gives lifeblood to the music scene. For artists to be able to go on and become big artists, they need to start somewhere. It's grassroots music venues that do that. It's been great working with the AKG gear. At home, I work often with an AKG condenser mic to record my vocals and stuff, C414, super versatile. And it's great to work with their dynamic mics as well. What's really nice about this gear is I know it really well because I've played before live with it, as well as doing this session. I played a kind of support act for another band. So I've got to see it in action, and it just feels really versatile. Like obviously it worked really well today for the live session, but we used it for the live environment, and the monitoring was brilliant. Obviously the mic gave over a really good performance. Wouldn't you say, mate, what did you say about my performance? It changed your life, I think? Yeah, so at least 20% of the life-changing effect of my performance came from the AKG gear, I'm sure, the JBL stuff. So yeah, no, it's brilliant to use, and thanks for having me, JBL.
Young and reckless, drunk in each other's eyes. It would take 1,000 years to paint what we feel tonight. Foolish and breathless, falsely wise. In a moment, fortified by smoke and lights. Next thing that I know, we're alone, it's midnight. Kissing our way home, Coco to Camden Road. The world is slow, talking on your porch till we see the daylight. Then you're reaching for your keys to unlock your door. You unlock it all. I don't need a reason, 'cause feelings believing. Don't you worry when it flies, time is always on our side. And I know the meaning when I feel you breathing in the early morning light. 2 young futures intertwined. Away, away, away. And sober rises a little more shy today. While the coffee's on, you tell me your middle name. Burnt toast and laughter, we find a way. By the afternoon, the shyness evaporates. Next thing that I know, we kaleidoscope. Walking through South End Green, we tell all our words are pure. Drinking G&Ts on the Kingsland Road, then you're cutting me a key to unlock your door. You unlock it all. I don't need a reason, 'cause feelings for leaving. Don't you worry when it flies, Time is always on our side, and I know the meaning when I feel you breathing in the early morning light. Two young futures intertwined, away mercurial love from strangers to us. Celestial light took the words we spoke and bound our hearts. Mercurial love from strangers to us. Took the words we spoke and bound our hearts. I don't need a reason, 'cause feelings believing. Don't you worry when it flies. Time is always on our side, and I know the meaning when I feel you breathing in the early morning light. Two young futures intertwined.